Hello and welcome to this Boxer tutorial. This video shows how to use the physics-based level set morph functionality. This tool allows the user to deform geometry using a surface scaler. In this tutorial example, I'm going to use temperature data on an aircraft wing to model ice buildup. To start with, I've imported the source geometry of the aircraft into Boxer. Similar to when generating a mesh, the geometries are captured using the octree, and the detail is dependent on the octree resolution. So first, I'm going to define the bounding box. Click the Edit Bounding Box button in the toolbar. There are multiple ways to define a bounding box. I'm going to use an enclosing box. In this tutorial, we are only going to be considering a portion of the wing. The enclosing box can be defined easily by specifying the location of the two opposing corners of the bounding box. The length scale sets the edge length of the coarsest level of the octree. Create a region with a seed point by clicking the Create New Region button in the toolbar. You can drag the seed point location using the handles in the graphics interface or type in the coordinates in the editor. We're going to add a face refinement to increase the resolution of the octree. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to set face refinement to octree level 2. Similarly, I'm going to create an edge refinement specifier for a maximum radius of curvature of 20 at octree level 3. The octree preview button in the toolbar can be toggled to preview the mesh refinement on the geometry. Next, we'll create the physics-based level set morph specification. You can do this by clicking the Create New Physics-based Level Set button in the toolbar, or by clicking Insert, Level Set Editing, Physics. From the feature tree, drag the wing to the shape field in the editor. Open the external data file browser to select the surface-based scalar file. The surface scalar or speed function file is defined in an ASCII format column-oriented file. The magnitude value can be set to control the scale of geometry deformation. You can reverse the direction of deformation by setting a negative value. Uncheck the Regenerate Octree After Operation checkbox and click OK. Click the Generate Level Set button on the toolbar. This process took about 30 seconds on my laptop. In the feature tree, right-click Physics and select Only to only view the physics-based level set morph in the graphics interface. Double-click to access the editor. Move the display slider to observe the change in geometry. In this example, we can see how ice on the wing may build up over time. If you wish to generate mesh for the geometry at any slider value, check the Regenerate Octree after the operation and press OK. If you wish to export the geometry, you can click on the Export to Patch button. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for more information and contact us if you have any questions.